Well, the government faced tough questions about its COVID vaccination policy, with the Supreme Court demanding to know why there seems to be discrepancy in supply for different age groups, why states had to pay more than the centre for the vaccines, and how the centre planned to ensure people in rural areas can access the COVID digital platform. The court was told the centre expected to vaccinate the entire population of the country by the end of this year, but concerns were raised about the national vaccination policy, the functioning of the COVID platform, and decision to allow dual pricing of vaccines. The top court asked the centre why it was providing states with 100% of doses required for the 45-plus age group, but only 50% of those needed for the 18 to 44 demographic. My colleague Vedya has the latest update on this story as well. But Vedya, what details can you share with us at the moment?
There are three important issues discussed and debated in the long hearing. The first issue is of the vaccination policy of the government. The court was saying why there is a differential price and also different policy, as you rightly pointed out, from above 45 and the centre is providing, but below 45, 18 to 45, the state will have to procure the vaccines from the manufacturing companies. Why this policy? And court has also said that the earlier policies, particularly on vaccination like polio and other things, centre used to procure the vaccine and distribute to states. Why not this policy can be adopted? At the same time, court said there has to be a policy, there has to be flexibility in policy, but at the same time, court said court is not going to, lay down the policy. It's not court's duty, but court said it's not slamming the government or criticizing the government. It only said that this discussion from voices across the country can help the government to change its policy. Anyway, court has said that all the issues raised in today's hearing, the centre will have to answer within 2 weeks by filing an affidavit whether there is a change in policy, what government is going to do about that.